Hello. In the clip that you just saw, I was moving a stone and it got away from me and it fell off the wall and rolled up against my stabilizer. But luckily, I had no damage because I had these guards. I watched a video that Joe at from Steel to Wood made, and he taught me how to build these. I had to make a small change in order to attach the guards to our tractor. So I welded a small piece of pipe to the top of the brackets that hold the cylinder rod, and then I put a bolt through that and it works fine. I also put a little bit of silicone here and here, which helps the guard to slide smoothly on the cylinder body. I owe Joe a big thanks. I hope this could help someone. Take care.